Huawei P9 Lite 2017, and let me show you how to enter here the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's prepare the micro USB cable connected to your PC. Afterwards, let's hold down together volume down and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, and by holding those two keys, connect your device with your micro USB connected to your computer. Remember to keep holding those two keys, and let's wait a few seconds. The Huawei logo pops up. Keep holding those two keys. You can release both keys as soon as the Huawei logo pops up, and as you can see, the download mode just pops up in front of you. The phone is trying to install the update, so you can try to install your update, or if you are not installing anything, you can quit this mode by long pressing power key. Let's keep holding power button. The warning pops up, but don't be worried, if you are not installing any update, everything is safe. Now you can release power key and also disconnect your device. Wait until the home screen pops up. And the home screen is in front of you, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.